What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So I have a quick video for you guys. So this should be a very easy install. We're working on the headlights today. I finally chose the headlight protector that I'm gonna go with, and I don't know how to say it really. PUIG or something like that. This is I think the easiest to install out of there's so many options out there, but this one, from what I've read, only attaches to these screws, but it's very rigid, so it kind of holds its own, and it's very secure. So we're gonna do it. So I'm just gonna find the Torx. It's very easy. So we'll find the Torx bolts that will go to take these off and put this on. The packaging is very nice. As you can see here, there's some padding, and you have some very nice box. Very like almost looks like a video card box. It's not cheap at all. It's like the packaging, they put some effort into it. So let's see if I can open this one-handed. So after opening it up, let's remove this thing here. So after opening it up, you can see the glass. It's a very thick glass, actually. Very beefy looking. I think I'm always worried about putting one of these on because it might ruin the lines of the bike. But it seems like this one is not so bad. So I'm gonna get a much wider shot later on once it's installed. But it doesn't seem so bad, and you have enough space that you can reach in to clean it and stuff like that. And also it looks like they provide some screws. So in terms of installing it, like I said, 2 screws. You can put some blue Loctite if you want to be secure about it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna open this up and we'll get started. Alright guys, so here it is, kind of mocked up. So I got the new screws on with blue Loctite, and so far here's what the fit and finish is looking like. I think it fits the bike. There's a lot of these. You can get Outrider. There's other brands. There's a lot of brands, but this is the only one that's like I didn't want to do some screws like down here and stuff. I think the BMW has a fuller one that covers all the way down here, but I don't really mind this part. What I'm worried about is this expensive headlight. So actually with the 2021, I just found out it's more expensive than the 2019 headlight, because this adaptive headlight has its own computer. So when you have to replace this, it's a whole unit that comes with its own computer. So it's $2,400. This headlight right here that comes with a computer. So yeah, if it gets cracked or something like that, it's gonna bother the hell out of me because I'm very OCD with that stuff. So I rather just I'll live with it. So the funny thing is, I put on my 2015, my first GSA, I put like 15,000 miles on that one, and I never got any rock chip on the headlight at all. I don't want to say never, but because you never know. But on my 2019, the HP one, the blue one, went all the way to, all the trips that I did on that one, never had any issues with, just running it without a headlight guard. This one, when I heard the price, I already knew it was expensive, but I never got any damages for the headlights from all the other GSAs. So, I think I'm pushing my luck. A friend of mine has a headlight guard on his from the start, so I think I should just count my blessings and kind of protect the investment right now. So as you can see here, that's the fit and finish. You can see there is some gap, enough gap. Let me see. What I'm worried about too is if the light kind of glares. I don't think it does. No, it doesn't. So it doesn't. Sometimes the other designs, it reflects light back to you. It's kind of annoying. So this one's not so bad. So the light is still pretty good. It's not obstructed or anything. Let's see. So when you turn off the bike, the headlight stays on for like a couple seconds, and then it turns off. Let's try it again. Yeah. So there you go. I mean, yeah, it says hello. It moves and it levels itself out. It says hello to you when you turn the bike on. All right. So you do have a gap. so you can actually reach in and clean it. You know, that's kind of like one of those things that I like. Some of the other designs, there's a rubber grommet where you can just pull the thing off and wash it and stuff like that. But this one, if you really want to reach in there, you have to remove the screws. So that's it. I don't want to make this too long. It's really a super easy install and wise investment, as some of the people in the comments have already mentioned. My third GSA, I think I'm just going to protect it from now on. So I think this is one of those things. So radiator guard, headlight guard. If anything, if you actually want to get like some kind of skid plate that's actually a little bit higher on this end, so that kind of protects all the debris. But it never really bothered me too on my long trips. I never seen it too messed up back there, so it's not so bad. It's mainly the headlights. $2,400. I'm not looking to spend that on another headlight. So, all right, thank you guys for watching, and hopefully this helped you guys in making a decision on the headlight if you're looking for one. Headlight protector guard. PUIG, really good quality. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up and take it on a test ride. But I think that's it. It's pretty much good to go. So, all right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.